Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another build. Today we have this beast of a gaming PC that's waiting to be put together. Let's begin. Starting off, we have an RTX 2070 Super by Gigabyte, a B450M Steel Legend by ASRock, a Mastercase H500 by Cooler Master, which comes with a solid front panel, but I think we'll leave the mesh panel on so we don't choke these gigantic 200mm fans. A Ryzen 7 3700X, 16 gigs of RAM by Corsair running at 3200 MHz, a 1TB SSD by Crucial, and a 1250 watt power supply by OCZ. I know what you're thinking, this power supply is super overkill for this build, but this was my client's first power supply from his first build, so we're just going to reuse it. First on the list is GTA 5 with everything maxed out, including NVIDIA PCSS setting, which made the FPS drop quite a bit, and using the GPS to encode in OBS caused my recording to stutter, so I had to use my phone. Next up, we have Borderlands 3 with high and badass presets. The small stutters you see are from screen recording at the same time. Warzone is next, and with a little more tweaking, I think we can get this FPS to hover around 144. Cinebench scored 2017 at stock speeds with its 8 cores and 16 threads. And just a comparison, the i7 3770K that I deleted a few videos ago only scored 769 with a 4.6 overclock. My more modern i7 7700K with 4 cores and 8 threads running at 4.9 scored 1020. So with a slight overclock on the 3700X, it will easily be able to double my 7700K score. I ran into one issue during the build, and that was routing the 8-pin power cable. It was too short to route through the back, so I had to route it along the front side of the motherboard. Now we could fix that with a simple extension kit, and I think it would really set this build off, but the client isn't too concerned with aesthetics, so we'll just leave it. Thank you all so much for making it this far in the video. If you enjoyed this build, please leave a like and drop a comment. It really helps this channel out, and I'll see you all in the next one.